In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock Xero. Locking dates in Xero is an important task, especially for businesses that need to ensure their financial data remains consistent after a certain period. This process helps maintain data integrity and is a fantastic step to prevent unauthorized changes to finalized entries. Let's dive in and make sure that your financial data is safeguarded. First things first, let's head over to Xero. You'll want to open up your browser, type in the Xero website, and navigate to the login page. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and do that now with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll be met with the Xero dashboard, which is the central hub for all your accounting activities. Now, let's move forward and look for the accounting option on the dashboard. It might be a bit overwhelming if you're new to Xero, but no worries, it's typically located in the main navigation menu. Give that a click, and you'll receive a drop-down menu with several options. The one you're looking for is Accounting Settings. By clicking on it, you'll be brought to a new page where you can adjust various settings related to your accounting needs. Next, direct your attention to the Financial Settings section. Here's where you can find the control you need to lock the dates. This section contains numerous options, so scan through until you see something labeled Lock Dates. Once you've located it, it's time to decide on the specific date you wish to lock. Choosing the right lock date is crucial. It's typically a day after you've finalized all entries and reconciliations for a specific period, like a month or a financial quarter. Selecting this date means that once it's set, no one can make new entries or changes to the data up to that point. It's a great way to ensure all the data remains as is for reporting and auditing purposes. Simply click on the field to select your date, and a calendar should pop up, making it easier to choose the exact day you need. And that's it. You've just locked your dates in Xero. As a tip, remember that you can always return to this section if you need to update or change the lock date for any reason. Just make sure you have the proper authorization to adjust these settings if your organization has multiple users with different permissions. Locking dates is a small step, but it packs a punch in terms of keeping financial records secure and unaltered after the books are closed for a period. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the locking process in Xero clearer and more accessible for you.